Hello, gentlemen investors and traders. The information and analytical service is in touch System.GURU.Markets. Let's start with general data about the company. If you're interested, you can pause the video. You can study all the organization's indicators more closely. We will compare the current fundamental indicators of the company with you. Opendoor Technologies Inc., ticker OPEN. This review is based on current information as of July 28, 2025. By classification, Guru.Markets organization Opendoor Technologies belongs to the subcategory. Accommodation, 39 organizations are participating in the assessment. See the decisions made at the end of this video. The company's result, minus 7.5 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is 2.5 points. If you look at it from a very broad perspective, within the entire stock market as a whole, we can see that the average score for the stock market as a whole is 1.7. Against a minus rating, 7.5 points for the company Opendoor Technologies Inc. Comparing the dynamics of the company's stock price Opendoor Technologies and subcategory companies, we can see that over the last 12 months the company's shares Opendoor Technologies showed a change of minus 1.8%. Against price changes in the subcategory 6.3%. Market capitalization of the company Opendoor Technologies Inc. amounts to $1.85 billion. With a market capitalization of $217 billion, the subcategory is worth $1.5 billion. The company's book value is estimated at $0.58 billion. And the capitalization of the subcategory is $88 billion. Having compared the shares of market and balance capitalization, we see the following. Occupied share Opendoor Technologies Inc. in the subcategory when assessing the market value is 0.85%. The book value is 0.662%. Assessment of the company's market share and book value of the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The financial liabilities of the organization under analysis amount to $2.268 billion. Financial liabilities to book value account for 391% of the company's equity. The company's debt level assessment, very bad, minus 2 points. The ratio of the company's market value to its profit is 0, with an average in the subcategory of 17. Price to earnings ratio compared to companies in the subcategory, very bad, minus 2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was minus $367 million. Future earnings for the next 12 months are unknown. Evaluation of the expected future profit indicator in comparison with the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The company's value to revenue ratio is 0.4. Average for the subcategory is 1.4. Evaluation of the company's market price to revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $5,110 million. Forward revenue for the next 12 months is unknown. Evaluation of indicators of projected future sales volumes in comparison with indicators of companies in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The marginality is minus 7.2%, with an average of 8% for the subcategory. Profitability assessment in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, TALET, minus 0.5 points. The company's share in the number of employees in the subcategory is 0.238%. This is 257% less than the market capitalization share. The amount of capital per employee of the company is $1,260,000. And for the subcategory, $353,000. Assessment of the volume of market capital per employee in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The amount of profit per individual employee is minus $250,300. Average in the subcategory, $20,800. Evaluation of profit per individual employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, talent, minus 0.5 points. The company's revenue per employee is $3,486,000. Subcategory, $259,000. Evaluation of revenue per individual employee of the company in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, talent, minus 0.5 points. Shares for sale account for 22.2%, compared to the subcategory average of 3.6%. Technical indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 70% for the company Opendoor Technologies Inc. Whereas in the subcategory the RSI level, 14, is 60%. The company's shares are actually valued at approximately $2.55. The consensus price target for the company's shares is approximately 94 cents. Let's look at the order table, which is available to everyone. Link in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all publicly accepted decisions in a given season by the information and reference System.GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is free and open. Link in the pinned comment. As a result of the analysis of the company's shares Opendoor Technologies Inc. Information and reference System.GURU.Markets, a decision has been made. Order to open a fall at $2.54 per share. The deal is open because the company has a rather poor valuation and price trend. The company's assessment is based on the assessment method, the Akeem's Index. Take profit is set at 0.8. Stop loss is set at 4.28. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss, then the order closes automatically at the end of the trading session on August 27, 2025. Or on the last trading day before that date. Ticker, SRPT, will become the main buy order. The video of the main deal has already been published on this channel. When one of the orders is closed, the basic or the balancing one, the second order is fixed at the actual price. Thank you for watching to the end and for using the help system. Guru Markets.